Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for clicking on this video, and let's continue from our last topic. And yeah, so this is the next morning. If you remember, like in the last video, we were trying to understand the problem statement. I wanted to solve it, but like somehow timing did not allow me. But yeah, I think before my office, I will try to reattempt the question. Like not a reattempt, but probably will try to see if I'm able to solve it. And one more thing I think which was better in the last video was the voice quality was better. I found some ways to like increase the voice quality. Of course, I'm still working on the this occasional, sometimes I cough, and this occasional cough I'm not able to edit it out from my videos, but from the audios, but I am still learning. But yeah, let's without wasting more of time, let's try to, I think we were doing this image smoother, and yeah, I think, yeah. So I have not tried to like do this in behind the scene. I don't. This is not a channel of that category, but I will try to be. Whenever I try, I will try to be in front of you guys only. So let's try to see what we were doing. Okay, I think the okay. So the question was we have given we are given with a grid, and what we need to do, uh, we need to find like we need to like recompute every value of the, yeah. So like we need to recompute the value of each cell, and the value of each cell is the average of what are the cells around it. Okay, so for example, this particular cell, which is one, how many values are around it? Four values are around it, and so the value of this cell would be the average of all of these four values. For example, let's look at this one. How many values are around it? It has around nine things, and I need to find the average of all of these to like compute this. Okay, so far this is my understanding, because like this 3 by 3 was written, so in the way I comprehended it like this. But in the later part, I was given am by teacher matrix image. Okay, yeah, I think, yeah. So this is truth, regardless of yeah, it will always be the truth, because I see the m by n is the dimension of the image, not the filter itself. Filter, I mean here, this 3 by 3. Okay, so okay, I think in the evening we were just we were discussing about, so this would be -1, I guess. No, 0. I can see it's still 0, but 1, and slightly not that good, but I think I got the sense. Okay, but I'm like, in the very first one, I will try to go with the brute force approach of what immediately comes in the mind. Okay, later on I will see what can be done. And still now the problem which I'm seeing in order to solve it is how to identify if something is on the border. Okay, for example, 6 is on the border. Its surrounding would be this area only. Okay, not the other area. So this is the very first thing which I think we need to solve it mentally, to even get started with the problem, because this is the only problem which I'm seeing. Like otherwise, for every cell, uh, Okay, let's try to do this in the most easiest way. Most easiest way means like what I will do, for every cell I will multiply by itself. Okay, and like in a way I will just trying to find the square of it. Okay, and I will return it out. Okay, so now the image is of two dimension only, it's of 2D only. So what I will do, for I in range uh okay, so let's find the m equal to length of image and n equal to length of image 0. Okay, so this will give me the dimension of the image. Now for I in range m, for j in range n, uh, let's make another l equal to something. Okay, l dot I dot j is equal to ing I j into 2. Okay, let's see, I want to do this, and in the later return the, I just need to return the l. Okay. Okay, so what is this? This out of index, how index list index out of, how I cross to 2, l is equal to this, for I is equal to this, but I think this is correct. Which is out of index? I in that should not be the case. 0. Okay, so this will give me 3. This will also give me 3. And then 0 1 2 0 1 2 0. What's the problem, man? Okay, let's do one thing. L dot append, does it work? Okay, so right side is working, left side is not working. Okay, so what I need to do, not to populate a dictionary. It is saying since this value does not exist. Okay, so what I can do, if I do something like this, and then l of I, what's now? I think this should work. No, l of I, oh sorry, this should not be l of I, this is I also want the position, so I want to append in l of I. Okay, l of I dot append this. I think that's so correct. No, l of I l dot, okay, but how, man? What's the second one? So what's the problem? So the problem is like the list exists, but yeah, definitely I cannot infer anything if it does not. Oh, wait a second. L of I is not there. This is correct, so this cannot happen. But I still want to L dot append a list. Now alpha is equal to 0. What about this? That is correct. 1 1 1 was given. In return I got this. Let's add plus 2 just to see if the results are working. Okay, yeah. So at least now I'm able to modify each value. Okay, now the only thing left is to now get the surrounding of it. Okay, so instead of only this, let's try to do something. Okay, so this is center. J plus 1 would be what? Right side. J minus 1 would be the left side. Okay, I plus 1 would be top. I minus 1 would be bottom. Okay, and then now the diagonal. I plus 1, J plus 1, I plus 1, J plus 1 would be top right diagonal, I think. And then I guess I plus 1, J plus 1, top right diagonal, bottom right would be I minus 1, J minus 1, bottom left. That's correct. And then I minus 1, I minus 1 and J remain. Oh, wait a second. What would be the value of this one? If this is this minus 1 minus 1. Okay, I minus 1 minus 1. That is correct. And then what would be the value of this? I will be subtracted one time, that's for sure, and J would be incremented. I hope this is correct, but I'm not sure. Okay, let's try to wrap it in. Okay, now okay, so this is correct. One problem is now how do I identify if something is on the boundary, because I cannot go in exception mode and check. No, that would not be intelligent. Okay, so if I am zeros, okay, is there any property which every boundary shares? Because okay, for a centerpiece I know, like for all of these cells will verify this condition, but all of these cells will not verify this condition. Okay, any one of these condition can be wrong for any one of these. Okay, so instead of this, I think there should be a formula. Okay, let's look at the index. What it tells: 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4. I think, yeah. Then 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. And what's 1 1 1 2 1. What? 1 1. Sorry. 2 0 2. What the hell I'm doing? 2 0 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 3 1 3 3 1. What I'm doing? 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4. I hope I'm not making any mistake. 4041424344. Yeah, so these are the indexes, and now is there any relation? I can see, okay, 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 3 1 is 4. Any relation? This is the fourth row. 5 6 2 2 2 3. What's the relation, man? All of them have 0. No, 0 0 is, there is no something and all. How can I add? If I'm on 0 0, if I'm on 0 0, no idea. What can I do to let these folks decide this? If it is 0 0, this one would be okay. No. If it is 0 0, okay, wait. There are two things again. If it is a corner, okay, if it is the corner, then I know it will have only 4. If it is an edge, then I know it will have 6. Yeah, so there are again, so there are two things I can see now. One is corner. For corner I will see 4 values. For edges I will see 6 values. Okay, and I can know what is the corner because corner would be either 0 or the length of let's say the m, okay, or the like I think 0 0, I think I can identify this is 0 0. I know this is the length, and then 0 comma 0 comma m, m comma 0, m comma m, like something like this. Like I know, like, so these are the corner pieces. I am able to identify them. Okay. Now how to identify the edges? Edges can be identified. They will have 1 in them. Oh, no. They will have. Okay, so they should start with. Edges. Edges would be 0 1 because this is also an edge, no? Okay, so the very first or the very last loop value, if they are not corner, they are edges. Array, but this also 4 0 5 6 7 8 4 5 6 7 8 4. Now there's no room. How do I know if they are just, if it is the very first loop, I know except the first and last, this one would be there. Okay, I'm not looking at that. Okay, what else would be the edges just by looking at it? Okay, sorry. So this is which row? Okay, it is J. Okay, n it would be n minus that would be n minus 1 2 3 4, let's say n minus 4 plus 0 n minus 3 plus 0 n minus 2 plus 0 n minus 1 plus 0 n minus n. Okay, and I know these two are corners. Okay, I would be able to identify somehow, but this is a corner. What else is a corner? What else is edge? These are edges. Okay, what else is an edge? As would be again m. So this value is m minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 till this till it becomes the value, last value. So m minus 1, then m minus 2, m minus 3 till it becomes 0. Okay, multiplied by what's the column? It's 0 column, 0 column, 0 column. I have this and this as now. What about this? Again, now this is m value is fixed, whatever, let's say m. Now this logic will again be valid. Instead of this, I will have a m there. Okay, this is an h, and then I think instead of this also I will have this will become n. Yeah, till it becomes greater than 0, like whatever is the logic. I think you got it. So this is the edge logic. I know if something, all the edges will be in either of them, all the corner would be either of them, but now the question is how to identify. Okay, well, I need to give a false condition. Not sure, but okay, now let's try to write something. Probably we will find something. Now if where is that image, this part, if this, okay, no, sorry, if I, okay, now we need to somehow like find some combination, like some relation between these two, so that we can write a single loop logic and find what we are looking for. Okay, suppose if I is 0, what things we can do? I can find what's the corner, I can find what's the edge. Okay, wait, if I equal to 0, okay, what I can find? Check if it is a corner, check if it is a edge. Okay, and remember, this is not good logic, no? If I'm checking, okay, wait, okay, I need to check for, like, let's say 0, I know, then I need to check for, but man, this is a mess. My mathematical capabilities are not good, huh? Okay, very hard to think structurally in this term. Somehow I see these values are there, but I'm not able to comprehend it. Huh? Okay, let's try. Something must be I equal to 0. I can check for something for I equal to 0. I equal to 0, then do something. If I L if I equal to M, then do something. Oh, sorry, not M, but M minus 1. Then do something. Okay, so these are the two values I have got. I equal to 0, I equal to 0. Now what about these edges? These are my spin. 6, 16, 6, 11, 16. If I equal to 0, I equal to M minus 1, 0. Okay, what will I want? Let's see if I am on this, what I want. I equal to 0. If j equal to 0, then let's say there is some temp value. Let's say temp value equal to null, and then temp will become the values which are this I j equal to 0, then I minus I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1 for sure, and I plus 1 is this I plus 1 j plus 1, sorry, I plus 1 j plus 1, and then I j plus 1. I j plus 1. I mean these four cells. If I equal to 0 and j equal to 0. If I equal to, if this not, LF j equal to n minus 1. If I equal to 0 and j equal to this value, then the temp would be, let me see, of course this, and then I minus 1 j. Okay, wait, I minus 1 j minus 1, that for sure. Okay, I minus 1 j minus 1, this is covered. Then I will remain the same, j minus 1, okay, and then I plus 1 and j will remain the same. That's correct. Okay, so these two are handled. So if it is in first row, that's done. Okay, let's do the same logic if I equal to this, I think, because this will also cover the values. Now if I equal to, now if j equal to this, sorry, now I need to give top right, so ij would be of course there, which is this I plus 1 j plus 1, this is what is this? Okay, I plus 1 j plus 1, why it is here when I plus 1? Oh, sorry, and this would be I minus 1 I minus, okay, let's do, I am not good at it. I minus 1 and j, I minus 1 and j remains the same. I minus 1 and j remains the same. Now then this I minus 1 and j, I minus 1 and j is incremented, then I remains the same and j plus 1. Correct. Now if I'm at this one, then of course this value, and then I remains the same, j minus 1, I remains the same, j minus 1, I minus 1, j remains the same, I minus 1, j remains the same, I minus 1 and j minus 1. Okay, corners are done. I think this is also till this. I think I'm good. I'm happy with this much also. Just keep in mind, like these are not optimal. These are something which is coming in my mind, and in a way, my motive to solve this question is to develop the structural thinking. Okay, not to solve this problem only. This problem would be solved. I can solve it by using ChatGPT or whatsoever. That's not my goal. My goal is to go through the process of developing the structural thinking. Okay, that's all my motive is now, and also have some level of consistency, so that these skills. I believe, I truly believe, if you acquire a skills over a period of time, that's that is going to remain with you also for a period of time. Okay, enough of the boring stuff. Now let's do. So till now I'm able to detect these and I'm able to solve this. Okay, what else? If I equal to 0, what I want? Where's the code? Okay, now if I equal to 0, if I equal to 0, except for these two values, yeah, except for these two values, everything is an S, no? Yeah. Oh, I think I've become intelligent. Yeah, I think that's a negation step. And if you remember, like what was this? Like this is like everything excluding the. Okay, so I could have said like this value is not I'm going to include, and this value I'm not going to include. But I wrote a loop n minus 3, n minus 2, n minus 1. But in theory, I could have also said just ignore the bound, like the outer part. Everything else is included. That's the same logic, and I think it's a beautiful logic. Let's see. Now for these I need only the edges, so temp value would be, let's start with the value themselves, and then let's start with this. So let's do clockwise. Okay, the what is clockwise? Yeah, this is correct. Okay, so the first value would be j plus 1. Okay, then this one would be it's an I plus 1 and j plus 1, I plus 1 and j plus 1, and then this one would be I plus 1, j remains the same, I plus 1, j remains the same, and then I minus, oh wait a second, I plus 1, j minus 1, I plus 1, j minus 1, oh sorry, j minus 1, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4, is it all done? 1 2 3 4 5 3, I'm not sure, but I plus 1, I think I was here, no? This is the value, j plus 1, this and j plus 1, this value, I plus 1 j plus 1 this value, I plus 1 j this value, I plus 1 sorry, somewhat I minus 1 sorry, I remains the same, I j minus 1. Okay, so I think this is what's happening. Yeah, let's increase the size a little bit. Okay, so I'm done for this one. Okay, let's do for this one also, because it would be something similar. Now instead of I want I plus 1, let's start from this value. I remains the same, j minus 1, I minus 1, j minus 1, and then I minus 1, then I minus 1, j plus 1, minus 1, j plus 1, I j plus 1. Okay, so I think till now only edge which is left, which is this. Let's think about them now. Also, they can also be something, no? If of course, like, does it satisfy this condition I equal to no? Okay, but I think I see a pattern. I can go in else block, okay, and now I is not equal to either this or this, but it is equal to this one. Okay, now for this I can check if j is 0. Yeah, right now if j is 0 or j, okay, if j equal to 0, okay, if j equal to n minus 1, if j equal to 0 or j equal to n minus 1, then I know the corners. Okay, if j equal to 0, then let's do this. Okay, copy. If j equal to 0, I let's say I'm on this number. What will happen? Top and bottom. Let me do top and bottom first. Top would be I minus 1, j will remain the same, I plus 1, j will remain the same, then I what is this, I will remain same. What is this? This would be, if I will remain the same, and if I do j plus 1, I will remain the same, j plus 1, j plus 1, sorry, I will remain the same and j plus 1 is this would be I my wait a second, wait on, top and bottom is done, 1, top and bottom this, and j plus 1, and then if I is subtracted and j plus 1, is this one. Okay, now let's talk about these this one only. This is, I think, I plus 1 j plus 1, I plus 1 j plus 1. Okay, only one left. And now let's say I'm on this edge, so top and bottom would be my top and bottom would be the same, I guess. I minus 1, I plus 1. Yeah, the left and right would be, so instead of I minus 1, j will I minus 1 and j minus I minus 1. Let's say I'm on this cell, I minus 1 is, I'm here, I minus 1 j minus 1, let's do. Okay, and then I minus 1 top, I minus 1 j, sorry, I minus 1 would be here, j minus 1 would be here, and then if I add one I j minus 1 is this is left. This would be I minus 1, sorry, I plus 1 and j minus 1. I hope this is correct. Almost done. Now for all other cases, temp equal to this. That's a haptic logic. Okay, only one small thing left. I needed to divide them by 4 because corners are divided by 4, edges are divided by 6. Oh, 6. Okay, I think all set. Now at the last I I think we need to do the floor. No, I don't know how the floor will go, but value would be this floor of temp. I think I need to use math. Let's use it. I don't know how to use floor, but anyways. And then what I needed was L dot append L of I dot append let's see what a long syntax error where syntax, invalid syntax, is it not aligned properly? L if that is correct, temp all the square, wait a second, I plus, okay, I is equal to if j is equal to, if nothing has happened and if j is equal to 0, okay, in this scenario I plus 1, I minus 1, I plus 1, then I j plus 1, sorry, which is this, I, what is this, I minus 1, okay, I minus 1, j plus 1, then last was I plus 1, that should be correct. Hey, wait a second, what I'm doing here? Let's see now. Value is not it's here only, no? Value temp, huh? What temp if elif temp, yeah, okay, I should have done the value here. Okay, anyways, somewhat in good direction. Oh, I think we got the answer, we got it. And if you see 137, 140, okay, the last one is incorrect. Okay, everything is correct. What is not correct is top right. Top right means the corner equal to 0 and the corner would be this value. Okay, so okay, let's see. I plus 1 j plus 1, I and j is this. Okay, I plus 1 j is this, yeah. I minus 1 j minus 1, that is nothing as I minus, okay, I minus 1 is this, I minus 1, sorry, I minus 1 is what? I minus 1 is, okay, sorry, I minus 1, not correct, no? I j is this, I plus 1 j is this. What should be this value? This should be I j minus 1, I j minus 1, and then what should be this value? I plus 1 j minus 1, I plus 1 j minus 1. I hope so. Yeah, I think yes, some mistake was there. Okay, cool, I think we got the answer. Okay, at least we are able to solve it. So what I will do, I will mark it as solved, and what I will do, oh, this is a bit long. Okay, so what I will do, I will take a screenshot of it. I have done this, and now freeform, not this one. I will mark it here. Okay, now I will see the actual solution because it is wrong. Let me do the 100%. Okay. Oh, some things are also not correct, I think. Not sure why, but 445 is correct. 455, 489. These values are coming from where, man? These are not the corners. These are center. Yeah, why these center pieces are missing? Let's see. Oh, okay. I think when I was imagining, no, I was imagining in. Where is that question? Yeah. So yeah, this might be incorrect. Let's redo this part, okay? Really, but I need to do it. Okay. So I is there. Let's say we are talking about this one. This one. Let's go this. Let's do top. Let's do clockwise only. Okay. Let's do from here and then we will loop around. Okay. So j plus 1. This is simple. Okay. Bottom would be I plus 1 and then I plus 1 and then j plus 1 and then I will remain the same. J will be incremented. I will remain the same. Oh no, I will be incremented. J will remain the same and then I will be incremented. J will be subtracted. Okay, I will remain the same. J will be subtracted. Okay, and then this one, what is this? I will be subtracted. J will also be subtracted. Then this I is subtracted. I subtracted for sure. J remains the same. I think this should be also passing. What? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Huh? Okay, I did not mention this one. I is subtracted but j is incremented. Yeah, this is the solution. Now let's submit it. What? I don't know. What's the problem now? Where? I plus 1 j. Huh? What is this? Yeah. Where is this? Let me check. Okay, let's try to see this. What was this? I equal to 0, j equal to 0, which is a corner. I plus 1 j. I plus 1 j remains the same. I plus 1 j plus 1 also. I and j plus 1. What's the problem in? I equal to 0, j equal to 0. This is the only cell, no? Yeah. Okay, wait, was there a multiple occurrence? No. I, j, correct. I'm not subtracting anywhere. What? I'm not subtracting. Then how it is going? It's not correct, man. I don't know. Probably we will try to. Let me do it anyways. Wait. Let me run the same program. I think this one is working. Let's see. 3 3 4 4 4. Average of this would be 5 plus 4 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Yeah, correct only. Let's see. So I'm assuming like this is a correct solution, and probably there would be different way, but let's see. I am taking this as my solution, and yeah, let me make a copy of it. I will keep it, and probably once we go through the what we say, once we will go through the a solution which everyone is using for this one, probably we'll say like a more optimal approach or something. Okay, and for the time being, let's wrap it up this video, and then probably we'll see in the next video. Thank you.